Thank you to all of you, my friends, and because of all your support, all the subscribers, all of you viewers, my YouTube channel has got monetized. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the challenges I faced on receiving the payment from the bank after the payment got realized, and also some key points which you must bear it in mind when you create a YouTube channel. So all the YouTube bloggers listen to this video or aspiring to create or get a online income, watch this video completely. There are going to be a lot of useful points for you. And how I am doing this video is I am doing it on a Zoom recording because the reason is people who want to see it, visualize how I am doing that. So that's why I have come up with the Zoom call wherein I am recording the conversation. And now I'm going to start share screening. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. So now you'll be able to see me on a side box from the full screen mode to a side screen mode. And now what I am going to show to you is I'm going to show you how to get into the Google AdSense account and also how my YouTube studio page. So now if you look at my screen here, you can see a bell symbol. In this, this is where you will get the notifications. So I would many times talk to you, right, on enable after pressing the subscribe icon, wait for the bell symbol and enable all notification. This is where you will get the notification of the new videos which are posted on the channels in which you have your profile. And here I have got Vicky. Vicky is one of my favorite blogger, and we have got the Pushpa song. I would have made a video about this film as well. Okay, so now getting into the topic. So this is how the YouTube screen is going to appear, and here I'm going to, here are my some of my subscriptions. What are all the channels which I have subscribed? Always used to say you have some news channels, right? And click here, and here you have YouTube channel, wherein you will have all your videos and stuffs. Now our main thing is about YouTube payments. So even if so now we have to click on YouTube Studio. All the people who have a channel will have this YouTube Studio. So if you don't have a channel, you have to create one to get this. Okay. So here is my YouTube Studio. Here it looks like this is my video I posted on uh, Friday. Saturday I missed out to post one, and this video will be posted on Sunday. And here I have the count of what are all the things, and here I have the analytics, where you will be having what are all the videos which are playing at a wrong and paying how many views on this particular month, which are all the leaders. And in this, you have a tab called as monetization. This is the most important tab for any people who have the YouTube channel. And here you have the YouTube partnership program. And here you will have your AdSense account linked. I have linked it on 14th of June 2018 on afternoon. So here you have to, the main thing is, I think I already had an existing Google AdSense account which I created. I think this Google AdSense account is older than my channel, should be. That I will check and let you know. And that we can check it now itself. How we can do it is, I have to go and check. I have told many times on videos about my YouTube history, but still I forgot. So what I can do is here I have all my videos. If you go to this videos tab, this is also very important. To anyone's channel, you can go to the videos tab and check all the videos they have posted. Here they will have their playlist. What are all the videos they watched will be there. Okay, for me, like this a private playlist. And here you will have about, here you will have the channel description, and their email address will be there, and also some of the links will be there. Here when I have joined the channel is June. After that only I have created the Google AdSense account. June 13th 2017 I have created a channel, YouTube channel, and total video views is about 4 lakhs for me still date. Thanks for that. And this also will give you an idea about how much effort I have taken to achieve the monetization. But for individuals, it will vary based on your efforts. And also you'll be seeing the socialmediaforyou.com on the Zoom background. Check for that website. And in my future videos, I will be trying to link this social media website with the AdSense, so that I will be getting you'll be getting ads will be paid by Google AdSense on social media for you.com as well, and I will be getting income from that ads as well added to my Google AdSense account. So that's how we are going to make this, and I'm going to show the settings to you. So now if I have to check what's my oldest video, for anyone, if you view others video YouTube channel as well, it will be looking like this only. That also I will show you after this, how to go into others YouTube channel and search for a video. Okay, if you go on to short by and click on the oldest date, you will see when I have posted the oldest video. It's before some 3 years, 2002. Now we are in 2020 22. So I created a channel, and after long only I have posted the video, because I was a little bit afraid I would be speaking something wrong. So that was the reason. But after that, my boldness story, after watching Mother Gauri's statement that he also did mistakes, I have told that several times. So now, instead of repeating the same, now we can get into the studio and go to the monetization tab. So this is where we see that this is where we link the YouTube partnership program with the Google AdSense account. Now we have to log into Google AdSense. So how I do is, always I will go to the Google. If I want to do some login, because it will be easy for me. Google AdSense login comes first. Clicking here. I have already logged in with my ID and password, so I will be directly clicking on this. Others, you have to give your Gmail ID and password in which you have created your Google AdSense account. This is how the Google AdSense screen pops up. As I have got my social media for you.com as well it's on the between our initial steps of getting added. So I will just remove this, because for those who don't have your Google AdSense account, it won't be have your website as well, it won't be looking like this. So again, going to Google AdSense, I have removed it. We can add it again as well. That's not a very big deal. So how that will appear also, I will show it to you on screen. So if you look here, see, add a site. Just click here and add your website. That's all. So now we are talking about mainly about the payments and what are the challenges we face. So directly going into payment of account. Why this happens is, whenever you get a currency from other countries, the bank has a process called as inward remittance acceptance, foreign inward remittance acceptance. When you create your current account or your saving account, you wouldn't have given that form until you get a payment. They will also accept the form only the payment is nearby. If you have your relatives or someone from abroad and they were sending you money, then you would have already enabled that. But for that also, they will be having a different procedure. For this is mainly for YouTube, because many people face a problem with the bank. They say that we are going to and fro from the bank for more than 3 months. Problems are not getting sorted out. The real reason is they don't know how to approach this. That's the reason why problems are happening. Here you have the home page, and here you have the ads tab. This is just to show you. So here you have the payments. This is where you have to go for getting into the payment details. So here, if you can see, this is the earnings I have after the payment has got realized, and here is where my payment transaction is. So on December 31st, I had about $103.15. So I am going to view the transaction, and here you will have the receipt for the date in which it is done. So they have credited me $102.34. Okay, and there will be some tax withdrawal. Regarding tax deduction, you have to update some few details. For that also, I have made a separate video. I will give that video on the end screen and the cards. Watch that video as well. That will be in the end screen. You will give my entire YouTube playlist. On that, you can scroll down and check for that video. And that playlist also I will open and show it to you how to open and find out the playlist. Here you have the US withdrawal tax details are given over here, and this is for up to Jan they have given. Click on December, it gives the end and earning balance. Okay, so if you see here, they have got some tax deduction, and after that the remaining amount is paid out. And if you click here, you will see the receipt. This is the payment proof you have to give it to the banks. Okay, so what you have to do when you go to the bank, you have to write a letter to the branch manager. Okay, on the 2 column, you have to give your name, address given on the bank account, and also your account number and custody. I have opted for wire transfer. That also you have to do at an early stage. Here you have the how to get paid. Here you have manage payments will be added here. Here you have to add it as payment methods. You have to click on that and add for the payments method. Here you have here also you have to select the frequency. When you give your bank account details, you have to select the frequency on that bank account. Onto that branch, you have to visit and give them this letter. And you should also ask them for an inward remittance form, foreign inward remittance form. On that, you have to specify what are all the currencies you will be getting from which country and also the address. So the best thing to do is you give this receipt. You give this receipt as a payment proof. So here, if I go how to print this receipt, that problem also some people have. I will recommend you to use sniffing tool. I have already installed this tool. This is a free tool, SNIPPING, snipping tool. You have to click on the new and select this. Okay, just leave it. It will come up as a new screen. I have got it with my. Okay, now I will move this and reduce the size a little bit. And again, I have to go for sniffing tool. So click this. You have the save desktop, and I will be selecting as payment YouTube payment receipt. It's always better to give your name a little bit, because on the bank, it will be, if they miss out, it will be easy for them to select if you send it online. So this is what the online form is. So you have to make this receipt ready. So with this, by letter to the bank manager, and they will give an inward remittance form. You have to fill and submit that. And along with this, you have to give the payment receipt. And within a day, the process got over for me, I think so. And on the very next day, I got the payment. And most of the branch people won't be available aware of this, because even though YouTube pays well, YouTube is a wonderful passive income source. It's a free time job. Other jobs, even if they say it as part-time job, you should be available on a particular time. YouTube is not like that. It's a free time job. You can do when you are free. Such a beauty and a wonderful income source is YouTube, but still there is not enough YouTubers in the society. So you have to be very precise with the branch people, and you have to tell them what to do. That's when your work will get done soon. So this is a payment receipt, and 2 times I open it. Now I will show you how to search for my YouTube video tutorial. So just like you, I am opening the open screen. And again, my YouTube favorite, Madan Gauri, the YouTube star whose words made me very courageous to open a YouTube channel. He said like he also did mistakes when he started his channel. Oh, YouTube superstar of Tamil Nadu has done mistakes. So why not me also? Definitely I will do a lot of mistakes. Okay, fine. Getting again into the topic, on the search box, type your YouTube channel name which you want to see. Here we have Madan Gauri. For Madan Gauri, we have to search it as Madan Gauri. But now for Joel John J, we have to search it as Joel John J. Here my private videos also will be shown. The reason is I have logged in with my credentials. So now here you can see me with the photo and logo. With this is a photo I took in one of my office. Shouldn't put that, but still I have that image. This is not how my office look like. Okay, and I won't say the name. If I say the name, that will be against violation policy. So click on that. So my video, my introduction video, my journey about 3 years. Just now I changed this video. That will be playing when you open my YouTube video link. And here, if you come down, you will have all the videos I uploaded. Here, all the shorts I uploaded. This is my Humber, my most biggest cat I have. Also one of my favorite. All my cats are favorite. And this is the wolves which I saw on Vandalur Zoo. If you look at the Vandalur Zoo, it's a beautiful place in Chennai, in India, in Asia to visit. And these are the guardians for Mowgli of Jungle Book. I love Jungle Book like anything during my childhood days. So now here you have the videos. Here you can see the entire videos of any person you like, whatever they have posted. You can scroll down and see. And also you can have the short option. When you have the short option, you can see the most popular videos, which videos of their channel it has got viewed most. And this arranged by dates will give you the access to the oldest one. Mine is an introduction video about in Tamil. How this is the digital social media marketing, digital media and social media marketing related video I put, and I have a playlist on this as well. So those who are willing to watch can view that as well. Also, now I will click on back and go to the playlist instead of. So playlist, I have a lot of playlist on that. If you scroll down, yeah, this is the playlist YouTube tutorial videos. So this is one playlist which I have put regarding YouTube videos, and as I told you about digital marketing and social media, also I have a playlist. This is the one. So these two are the best things to watch from my channel. And also, if you want to select it in a short way on search itself, you can go to YouTube tutorial and type it as Joel John J. And if you scroll down, my videos are not coming. So let's search more video. Yeah, you got YouTube tutorial videos by Joel John J. You can click this and watch all the videos. And below that itself, you are getting one video from digital marketing. And if you scroll down more, are you getting it? And the full playlist is not coming. And again, I can go it and change this as digital marketing. Yeah, here you have the 16 videos played by me. This is how to search and find my videos. Okay, friends, it's time to say bye. It's your Joel Janji signing off from you. Subscribe, watch, share, and listen to my videos. It's time to say bye. Bye-bye. So as it's a Zoom meeting, I have to end it the Zoom call. I am in trouble. I don't know where to find the link. Yeah, I found it. So now I will be closing the recording now.